Working with this library called Matplotlib is very easy. It just plots a relationship between the variables. Simply it shows you everything on the graph if you need that. Let's use Matplotlib to draw a simple relationship between two variables, and the graph will be of type line plots. We have two variables here, x and y. The arrange function from the NumPy library creates an array of numbers, and it has three parameters: start, stop, and step. And also NumPy's np.sign and np.py functions do what you expected. They calculate the sign of an array and compute pi. And we use these functions to create two arrays of numbers, x and y. And the second array depends on the first array, as you can see. Y array depends on X array. Now let's see how to graphically show the relationship between the two arrays X and Y on a line plot. To create a line plot, pass an array or a list of numbers as an argument to Matplotlib's plt.plot function. And also the command plt.show is needed at the end to show the plot. That's it simply. Also make sure to put parentheses after the plt.show, exactly as follows. The output in this case is a line plot that shows sin x from 0 to 4 pi. Every point here has a value for x and a value for y. The x value when it's equal to 0, the y value in this case equals sin 0, and so on until reaching the last point in this drawing, and the last point where the x value is equal to 4 pi, its y value is sin 4 pi. This is a very easy and simple example. In this section, we just wanna show you how this library works and how to use it. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this example by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.